In the icy expanses of Antarctica, physicists have received a mysterious signal that could turn the entire world of physics upside down. And this signal isn't coming from above, it's coming from the ice. Mysterious radio pulses with extreme energy that simply shouldn't exist, at least not according to everything we think we know about physics. This discovery could completely upend our understanding of the universe. So things are about to get wild today. Make sure to stick around until the end. A warm welcome to you all. Mysterious signals, Antarctica, a new kind of physics. Today, we've really got all the ingredients for a perfect AstroTim video. By the way, if you always want to stay up to date on the latest discoveries in the world of physics and astronomy, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. It doesn't cost anything at all. You'll never miss another video and you'll really help me out. And if you've already subscribed, feel free to give the video a thumbs up. That helps the video a lot. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, today we're talking about a discovery so mysterious that even the brightest minds in particle physics are, well, stumped.
Imagine balloons hanging over Antarctica, equipped with highly sensitive devices to measure cosmic particles. Suddenly, they detect something that, according to everything we know, shouldn't even exist. But first things first, we're talking about the Anita Experiment, which stands for Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna.
These research balloons float at an incredible altitude of 30 to 39 kilometers above the Antarctic ice, listening for radio pulses that are generated when high-energy particles from space collide with the Earth's atmosphere. So far, so fascinating. But what the researchers have picked up has left every physicist speechless.
Two signals were detected with an unimaginable energy of 0.6 exaelectron volts. To put that into perspective, that's 200 times stronger than the signals we would normally expect from known sources. But that's not the craziest part. The really mysterious thing is the direction from which these signals came. Both radio pulses did not reach the detectors from above, from space, but from below, from the ice of Antarctica. Stephanie Wissel from Pennsylvania State University describes it this way. The radio pulses came at an angle of about 30 degrees from below, from the ice.
So, have the reptilians from the hollow Earth finally made contact? I once saw a documentary called Iron Sky that explained this pretty well. Let's try something before we go on to figure out what the cause might be.
Write your ideas and guesses in the comments. What is the cause of the mysterious Antarctic signal? I'm really excited to hear your creative solutions.
So the signal is coming from the direction of the ground, from the direction of the ice. Think about what that means. If we rule out the reptilians as the cause, that means these extreme particles must have traveled all the way through the Earth, from one side of the planet to the other, so thousands of kilometers through solid rock. And here's the problem. According to everything we know about particle physics, that's impossible.
No particle in the standard model can travel thousands of kilometers through the Earth at these energies and survive the passage. Explain the researchers of the Pierre-Orga collaboration. The decay products of known particles should have been intercepted and absorbed by the rock masses long ago. It's like trying to shoot a ping pong ball through a meter-thick concrete wall and expecting it to come out the other side unscathed. But what is the cause of these mysterious signals? Stephanie Wissel is honest. This is an interesting problem because we still don't have an explanation for what these anomalies were. We only know that they were most likely not caused by neutrinos. To get to the bottom of the mystery, the scientists did their homework. They thoroughly reanalyzed all available data and compared it with measurements from other particle detectors around the world. The Pierre-Orga Observatory in Argentina, for example, captured around 7.6 million particle signals during the same period.
The researchers searched for similar anomalies, for particle tracks that also came from below, out of the ground. The result was sobering. And that makes the Antarctic signals even more mysterious.
The events remain an anomaly. They do not match the particle cascades of known particle decays or interactions, Wissel summarizes. But wait a minute. Could it be that we are simply overlooking something here? Perhaps a completely natural process that we do not yet understand. That is exactly what Stephanie Wissel suspects. My guess is that there is a process taking place under the ice or on the horizon that we do not yet understand. However, we have already investigated several candidates and have not been able to find anything so far. This leads us to a fascinating consideration. What if these signals point us toward a completely new physics? For years, scientists have been searching for evidence of particles or phenomena beyond the Standard Model. While the Standard Model is incredibly successful in describing almost all known particles and forces, it also has gaps. Dark matter, for example, does not quite fit into the Standard Model, yet we are relatively certain that it exists.
The mysterious Antarctic signals could be just such clues pointing to new physics. Theorists have already proposed various exotic explanations.
New particles that are capable of passing through the Earth, or even processes that could have to do with dimensions beyond our familiar three spatial dimensions. But before we start speculating wildly, let's keep our feet on the ground, because science thrives on the fact that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And so far, we only have two mysterious signals.
That's still not enough to draw revolutionary conclusions. That's exactly why the researchers are hoping for more measurement flights with new and improved detectors.
Maybe we can then find out what they are. If we could capture more of these anomalies, we might see a pattern that brings us closer to solving the mystery, says Whistle optimistically. Imagine what this could mean. We could be on the cusp of a scientific revolution.
Perhaps comparable to the discovery of radioactivity or the theory of relativity. New particles, new forces, an expanded understanding of reality. All of this could be triggered by two mysterious signals from the Antarctic ice. What fascinates me most about this is the role of chance in science.
The Anita balloons were originally intended to measure normal cosmic particles. No one expected to encounter such anomalies, but that's how science works. The most important discoveries happen when we least expect them. And it also reminds me how important it is that we conduct research in the most remote corners of our planet. Antarctica may seem inhospitable and far away, but that's precisely why it offers unique conditions for experiments. The clear cold ice is virtually free of interference signals that would distort measurements in populated areas. And who knows, maybe Antarctica has even more surprises in store for us. Research continues and new experiments are already planned.
And with every measurement, we're getting a little closer to solving the mystery. Of course, I'll keep you updated on all the developments in this story. So make sure to subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss anything, and don't forget to give this video the obligatory thumbs up. The YouTube algorithm loves that. And now, let's travel from the remote Antarctic to an even more distant exoplanet, because in my next video, I'll take you on a journey to a very special world, a so-called super-Earth that could meet all the requirements for life. This fascinating celestial body could provide us with answers to one of humanity's greatest questions: are we alone in the universe? Some even say that this planet might be better suited for life than Earth itself. To find out everything about it, make sure to click on the video shown at the top right. It's really, really exciting.
As always, you'll find another video about space and science at the bottom right. Otherwise, I'd say see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.